Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome to my channel. So today I just got home from work, but I came home to like some wig packages, so I just figured I'd do my unboxing on camera because as I was opening this up, I was just like a little excited, so I said let's do an unboxing. So today the wig I'm going to be showing y'all is from Unice hair. This is it. This is how the wig came in the bag. And I don't know what this is, but it also came with this. So I'm about to open this up first because this is what I'm most curious to see. What is this? I don't know. Okay, it's a little robe, y'all. Okay, thank you, Unice. Okay, a little sexy, little pink little robe. I'm gonna have to do the tutorial in the robe. On to the wig. Let's see how this comes. So I got the bag. This is what it came in, and let's look at all the goodies in the bag. It came with, I have this is like a foundation brush, little foundation brush, I guess. Never seen this before. Elastic band, thank you. You can always never not have enough of these. A bonnet, and then some lashes, and these are cute. These cuter than the ones from Alipro. Okay, cute. And now I'm about to show y'all the wig. Cap, and I have a 22-inch body wave wig, and this is a closure too, but so far so good. I think this is pretty, and with the type of curls that I'm gonna put in it, I think it's gonna be real pretty. So this is a lace, not too much to pluck. I never wear my closures like this. I always like do the whole frontal illusion, so I'm gonna like bleach this and pull out some baby hairs and come back and show y'all how this wig. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and just flip everything back and then go ahead and apply my glue. So due to the fact we're doing a closure, I'm gonna just go ahead and apply my glue in one setting. I'm about to work in the first layer of glue. Y'all see how I'm putting that on my skin because the lace needs something to stick to other than the wig, and we're gonna just apply like even layers of glue before we go in and lay it. So literally pull this forward without like, don't slide the wig up, like literally grab it by the beginning of the lace and just pull it forward like over, you know, and then just place it literally where you want to place it. Y'all know I never like do the firm press and hold just yet. I always start off by combing the lace into the glue. Ouch, shit. Damn, poked myself in the eye. Just comb the lace into the glue because you just want everything to just get seeped in. Like, just lay it, shit. All right, so now that I got the wig on like in place, I'm gonna go ahead and like just give it a firm press and hold. This is gonna like start the melting process and just like let everything melt into the glue that we laid, like that. Just start the melting process some more because we want everything to just lay and just melt, like so. That's what I'm about to do. I don't spray any adhesive, not yet, but I'm just going to all right. I am gonna take a few minutes and just tell y'all about this hair, like, so far. So good. Like I said, this is a 22-inch, but I'm actually okay with the 22 inches, especially once some layers get put into it. So I'm impressed so far. The hair feels good. I've heard nothing but good things about Unice hair, so I'm excited. And like I said, I haven't had any bad experiences so far. I really like this hair. And I really love the fact that I got a robe too. So definitely go shop. I will put everything down in the description box below. But yeah, if y'all have any questions, just definitely comment down below, and y'all know I will get back to y'all. So moving on. Same thing to this side. Now, like the middle section, I try not to like do too much plucking and make it too like dense, and that's only because like when I'm doing my parts, I don't want it to be like a bald spot or like gap where my part is supposed to be at. And I don't even have black hairspray, so I mean, I have black hairspray, I don't have this color hairspray, so it would just be wise of me to not do any over plucking, because I'm not going to be able to conceal it and fix it. So like I said, like y'all see, this is way more scalpier than this side, so I'm just coming back here. I'm gonna do a little mousse so I can see, and then just pluck. If y'all want a plucking tutorial, just let me know. But just know the key to plucking is you just gotta keep moving. Perfect. All right. So then you just want to, this is why I use a wide tooth comb for this part, because I don't want to like tear out any hair that I didn't pluck. But yeah, y'all, I really have like no complaints when it came to this wig. It's a 4x4 closure. It is 22 inches. I'm not sure of the color and how you would describe the color. It gives me like ginger vibes, but it also looks like a little red. So I don't know. The information will be in the description box below. Y'all know y'all can comment down below if you have any questions. If you like content like this, definitely subscribe to my channel and just go check out the rest of the install videos that I have on my channel. Let me know what other type of content that y'all want to see. Do y'all want me to do like a get to know me, a Q&A? Just what y'all want to see. Y'all want to see a vlog? I don't know, but just drop some stuff in the comments, let me know. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all soon in my next video. Bye.